The instructor or the students can wirelessly mirror their mobile device on the displays using Air Media. On your control panel, there's a button under Sources labeled Wireless Video Podium. When you click this button, it gives the instructor the option to connect to Air Media with their laptop and mirror what is on their device to the displays around the room. It will display an IP address and code to use on the control panel to do so. For students to connect to the displays individually, you can click the Breakout Mode button on the main menu of your control panel. To connect via web browser, PC, and Mac, open a web browser on the computer and navigate to the web address or IP address shown on the display. The Air Media 2 welcome screen will be displayed. Once you have the application downloaded, click Start Presenting. Enter the 4-digit PIN code from the Air Media screen shown on the display and click Go. To connect to Apple iOS devices, complete the previous steps. Once connected, navigate to the AirPlay button in the dock or menu bar of your device. Select the device to begin mirroring your screen. To connect via Windows laptop, complete the previous steps. However, once connected, click Start to begin mirroring your device on the display. To use your Miracast Windows connection option, you can use the Windows Connect menu by pressing the Windows icon and K to display a list of devices. Choose the device you would like to use from the list. Air Media Canvas Mode allows up to 4 users to present simultaneously on the same screen. To use Canvas Mode, simply connect the 2 devices to the same Air Media screen using the on-screen connection information. The 2 presentations will be displayed side by side. Air Media automatically optimizes your screen space to accommodate different aspect ratios. This feature cannot be utilized with Miracast, and to share multiple devices to a display, you must use the Air Media application. To use Air Media and mirror your screen to the displays, you must be connected to the Wi-Fi EDU room. To contact classroom support for assistance, press the Push to Talk button on the wall-mounted intercom to be connected to a help desk technician. You can also call 704-687-5500 and select option 3 for assistance. Please provide the building name and room number.